Hello, everybody. This is Loquacious One. Welcome to my channel. I am the Loquacious One, the one hit quitter of affordable hauls, coming at you today with a really quick haul of cleaning products and supplies for the home, especially today in the time of COVID-19. We have to be diligent on keeping our residents clean, as well as our work environments and car. Just have to be a little bit more diligent on it. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money. All you need to do is clean the surface and disinfect it, sanitize it. That's it. Okay. And you can do that simply with a dishwashing liquid or a soapy product. All-purpose cleaner and bleaching water does it just fine. Okay, unless you have a sensitivity or a reaction to those, or they impede your health in some kind of way, those will generally do it. You don't have to just sweat and sweep shelves and run around like you're crazy looking for Lysol, Clorox, and all those other products. If you don't have them, you won't die. Okay, believe me, you'll be all right. Just keep your house clean and practice social distancing. All right, some of the things I found at the Dollar Tree. This all will be from Dollar Tree because I'm limited to stores I go to. So I get to Dollar Tree early in the morning, do my shopping, get out of there. Okay, this is another bleach product. It is extra scented bleach, higher concentration than industry leaders, it says. It's in Mountain Rain scent, 40% balance, higher concentration, improved formula for all machines, including high efficiency. And this is 34 ounces. Okay, so if you just need a bleach product, that's available. As well as, they have the Clorox, as well as they have the Chlorine, and they have what else did they have? They had the LA Totally Awesome, and they had one more brand I'm not sure of. But anyway, they are stocked up on bleach at Dollar Tree. Next, I got the Works Classic Clean Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Clean and deodorizes is 1.5 ounces or 24 ounces. 1.5 as a pint. I'm sorry, 1.5 pints or 24 ounces. And this in Walmart is about I want to say almost $3. So for $1, I guess that's the deal. I use this for my work because I keep my toilets clean. Okay, I'm just not about using a dirty toilet. So I got this mainly for work. And this is a limited time bonus size. That's 100% more, it says, versus Gain 8 ounces. So it's supposed to be, I guess, the alternative to Gain. It is Ajax Ultra Bleach Alternative, and it is 16 ounces. And it is in the scent of citrus pomegranate. And I will be right back to show you the rest of my cleaning products. Okay, good people, continuing on. I got this just for cleaning little areas of my place, so I don't have to. I'll put it like this: if you have not invested in a Swiffer cleaner, this is Dollar Tree's alternative to the Swiffer, and I'll tell you why I use these particular items. It is from the Essential line at Dollar Tree. This is the flat mop head. It is the actual implement that you attach the different components to the system to. And it's the wet, dry, flat mop head. So when you move this red tag, the handle is sold separately. You screw it into this base right here. And then you would simply attach the various pads to this area, which has Velcro strips. Alrighty. So that's how that works. Now the parts that I got, because I'm going to use handle that I already have. Before I invest in one, I'm going to use what I have, recycle, repurpose. Remember, reuse. This is Essential Microfiber Mop Pad. And they also have a string mop pad, but I have a mop, so I didn't want to just invest in one. And of course, all these parts are $1. This is another component. They have a microfiber duster mop pad, And I thought that was good. And this I'm using to really just reach high places, okay? And you can use these parts on your Swiffer, but check first. All of the parts are $1 and you buy them separately. And this is the microfiber mop pad light duty. And it is like a chenille type of pad. But see, this is what I don't get. This is the light duty. But let me show you what they use as their heavy duty. It is this microfiber mop pad heavy duty. But this looks like not as heavy as that. That's why I'm just so confused. But I bought, nonetheless, 3 of these to change them. And if you have a Swiffer, you can use these on your Swiffer, okay? Just so you know, okay? Now, because I will mix and match something in a hot minute. Also, if you have a Swiffer, and I don't know how these will fit, so don't take my word at it. I just picked them up. They had the Scrub Buddies Quilted Texture Wet Sweeper Cloths Refill. It's a bonus of 2 extra, so that's 10 instead of 8. And it fits the Swiffer Sweeper. Okay, so you might want to try that. It's $1 because you know that stuff, it gets to be expensive after a while. So I'm just letting you know. And these, I don't know, it seems kind of short, but it says it fits, it fits the Swiffer Sweeper also. And it's the Quilted Texture. It's the Scrub Buddies 15-pack dry floor cloths. So yeah, that's what I got from Dollar Tree in the cleaning products. You can try them out. They're stocking up, folks, just to let you know. They have bleach, a lot of the spick and span, dishwashing liquid, the Awesome Clean. What is that? The yellow one. I don't know what the name of it is. Pine Glow antibacteria disinfectant. They're stocked up pretty much. People are slowing down with sweeping the shelves, or they got what they wanted. They figured out they didn't need all that they had. They still in my area, but I've seen other people haul it, so it should be coming soon. They didn't have the disinfectant wipes, but that's all right, folks. You can use the spray cleaner that you have, okay, or disinfectant spray bottles with paper towels. Just get a roll of paper towels, get your all-purpose cleaner, and clean. Or make a solution of 5 in 1. That's 1 part bleach, 1 part water. If you have to disinfect, long as the bleach doesn't destroy the surface. They also have cleaning vinegar. You can use cleaning vinegar to disinfect some surface, but be very careful with cleaning vinegar on granite and marble and stone tops because it might etch it. Okay, read those labels. So they really don't right now. They're not in my area with the disinfectant wipes, but they're not necessarily the best value, but they're good valuable. They work good, but they're not I would rather buy, if you use those regularly, a larger size and use them or make my own. They don't have the Chases, or it used to be Powerhouse, I believe, spray disinfectant. That's not in, and in my area, they're really using it for the store use only, and I understand. I use it for my job, but you really don't need it inside your house if you are cleaning. Wash stuff. Washing is always better. All right, and that's just about done it. The spray disinfectant and the disinfectant wipes are the only thing they really don't have. The sanitizing gels are coming in, the hand sanitizers, but again, they sell out really fast. They have the Swans hydrogen peroxide and the Swans 70% isopropyl alcohol. The hydrogen peroxide stays around a little while, but that Swan 70% isopropyl alcohol, it goes like that, and they had limits on it. Okay, so I was lucky enough to grab 4 of those. So if you're looking for that, also ask the cashier, because they sometimes have sanitizing products and medical essentials at the counter. And that should be it. Until the next time, please practice all safety guidelines as provided by the World Health Organization and the CDC, Center for Disease Control. Okay, protect your face with a mask or a face covering. Practice social distancing. Wash your hands every 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes for 25 seconds or more up to the wrist, back, front, between fingers. Okay, be safe. Okay, it's not over. It's just on the down low, waiting to say gotcha. Till next time, I love you. Bye bye.